And welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to fry some jumbo shrimp and they're going to be spicy. The seasonings that I'm going to use today is salt and pepper, red pepper, paprika, Louisiana fish fry, garlic powder, onion powder, and also a little flour. As you see, our shrimp are already deveined and cleaned. These are large shrimp. Now, all I need to do is I added the seasoning. So now what I'm going to do is add the fish fry, and I'm also going to add flour. And what you want to do like a 50-50. You want to do half fish fry and half flour. So now that I have the shrimp evenly coated, we're going to add the fish fry. Okay, so now we have our shrimp evenly coated with the fish fry mix and the flour. And I want to go back to your seasonings. You want to add about, for this many shrimp, maybe about anywhere, depending on how spicy you want it, from a teaspoon to a tablespoon of each seasoning. And you just want to evenly put it on your shrimp and then get your hand, mix it together, make sure all the shrimp are evenly coated. And then we're just going to sprinkle on some of our fish fry here. We just sprinkle on here with a little flour, and then we're going to turn the shrimp until they're coated like this. Over here, I have vegetable oil getting ready, and it's nice and hot now. You want to heat it to about medium heat. And what we're going to do about 2 batches because it's quite a few shrimp. So what we'll do, we'll take one of our shrimp, shake off any excess. And then once your grease is hot, what I like to do is sprinkle like this. When you see that going on, you know it's hot. And then we're going to just drop one shrimp in there. These are large shrimp. They're not small, so they're not going to cook like small little popcorn shrimp. They cook very quick. Here, I would say anywhere for about a minute aside. I'm going to turn it down just a little bit because I don't want it to cook too quickly because they are larger shrimp. These shrimp are going to be spicy. If you don't want your shrimp to be spicy, you can leave out the pepper and the red pepper, or you could just add your black pepper, just the regular pepper, or just put just a little bit. Your fish fry does have some seasoning in it also, but I do recommend for you to still season your shrimp. And these are already starting to get golden. But what we will do is when we let this side cook for about a minute, then we're going to give it a turn. You can use ketchup, hot sauce, tartar sauce. You can also use your cocktail sauce for dipping sauce. But today I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to actually use a marmalade sauce. They do that at Outback. And it's just so good with the coconut shrimp. They are looking so yummy. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn them now. It's been about a minute. I'm going to turn them so they can cook on the other side. Delicious. These shrimp are so big and they are going to be so yummy. If you have a greedy family, you might have to get extra shrimp because I don't know if I want to share. Okay, so about another minute, then we're going to take these out. You want to get you a dish and put some paper towels in there so it can drain off any of the excess oil. And let it continue cooking. Okay, everyone, here's the finished product. I put a few of the shrimp on my plate, and I'm just going to have it with a simple salad today. This is going to be so yummy. And these shrimp are so seasoned that you really don't need any type of condiment with it. But hey, do what you feel. Like I said, I don't even know if I'm going to share today. Well, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Please make sure you subscribe and have a blessed day.